Hey, Mom. Oh, hello. Hey, Mom. When is the garden going to be done? When is the garden going to get done? Well, not any sooner than tomorrow, sweetie. A garden doesn't grow itself in a day. So, if I go inside and watch TV, those flowers won't turn into beans? No, no, a flower will not turn into a bean in less time than it takes to watch one of your MacGyver episodes. What? How did you know I was going to watch MacGyver? Well, I asked myself, when was the last time Kyle watched something different? And what does he like watching more than MacGyver? And I couldn't think of what, so I guessed that. You're more right than wrong, Mom. Yeah, I want to watch MacGyver. Hey, Mom, did you know his engineering and applied science skills are better than almost anyone's in the whole world? I mean, when you don't remember he's a fictional creation of the show's writers, it kind of blows you away. Well, I admit, his non lethal conflict resolution techniques are better than most professionals I can think of. When will people give peace a chance? When did you plant peas, Mom? Oh, no, dear. Peace. Something we used to say when we were young. Peace. Oh, yeah. Like MacGyver. He's all about the hand-to-hand stuff when it comes to that. Well, also, he's good when he forwards social and environmental causes. There's more to peace, dear, than nonviolence. Well, I think there's more to gardening than you figured out, Mom. No offense, but your tomatoes are pretty hurtin'. Oh, yes. No offense taken. We need MacGyver to help us with the garden. He would know what to do. Don't worry about it, Mom. Better this than nothing. True. Better this than nothing.